Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka. Today I have a Myntra haul for you guys. It's going to be such a fun haul because this is going to be very different. In today's Myntra haul, I'm going to be trying out some local homegrown brands that make such beautiful outfits. So it's very difficult to find plus size outfits, and these homegrown brands actually have plus size options. So let's check them out. And if you're watching my video for the first time, do subscribe so that you don't miss out on such videos. I do a lot of fun fashion content. I do haul, styling videos and vlogs as well. So do subscribe and also hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. And now let's get started with the haul. Myntra has their big fashion festival sale coming up, and the early access deals are already on. So you'll find these outfits in a really good discount, and all the links will be in the description box if you would like to check out these outfits during this sale. So this is the first outfit. It's a very beautiful powder blue. It is such a cute outfit, and this is a brand called Curvy Clan, and they have sizes starting from 14 to 26. So it's kind of difficult to find plus size outfits, and especially like really good designs and not just boring plain old stuff. So this is one of those brands which has really chic and very pretty outfits. So I really like them, and this is a very nice powder blue one, and look at the quality. The lining is also really good. It has a very cute collar here, and at the sleeves and at the bottom it has a little bit of this lace detailing which makes it look so pretty. It kind of gives a little bit vintage vibe, kind of dreamy, very pretty with this lacy detailing. It is so pretty. At the waist you can cinch it a little bit, and it has this button detailing. The color is what attracted me. It is such a pretty powder blue, so you can wear this for casual day out, or when you are traveling also. In the pictures it would look really good, or even casually when you're heading out for like a coffee date, or even if you have like a small party, or if you're looking for an outfit for your birthday for like a daytime event, then this is such a lovely piece. And this is on discount, so I think right now it's around 1300 and something. So I'll put the actual prices here. So it's on discount, and usually this brand is a little bit expensive, so you can get it during discount, and you'll get a very good price. And the best thing is that their quality is really good. I already tried out something from this brand before. Let me show you that as well. So this is a tunic which I got from the same brand. This is also from Curvy Clan, and this is actually a dress. I think it's a very beautiful satin dress. It's kind of knee length, so I like to wear it with trousers, like a tunic. And this is also so cute. Like, it is nice for dinners or like party wear, slightly party wear. It has cute sleeves, and it's just a plain button down shirt. For me it's like knee length, so yeah, you can wear it as a dress, or you can wear it as a shirt or a tunic. So this is the back. This is also such good quality. You can just see it's so cute. The color is also so pretty. They have really good options, so yeah, you can check out Curvy Clan. Even this one's on sale. Curvy Clan actually has a lot of really beautiful fits, so you can check out those options as well. And this one is also on sale, and if you miss this detailing, then just look at it. So cute. The collar has this beautiful work. It's a little bit of chardozi with a pearl detailing. It is so cute, and even when you wear it, it gives such a good finish. Very good quality. So this is from the brand called Desi Noor. This is the first time that I'm trying out this brand. So I already wore this outfit, so it's inside out. So this is the cute dress that I'm talking about. This is from Desi Noor, and I really like the color and the smock detailing, so I thought, you know, I'll try it out. And the sleeves are like this, so you can wear this as an off shoulder also, because there's elastic here as well. But you can wear it as it is. You don't have to wear it as an off shoulder, but that's an option too. And it's kind of like a midi dress. It has a flare from the waist, and the quality of the fabric is really nice, and the color is so pretty. So you can wear this casually. So this is such a nice outfit for like casual days, and kind of the seasonal transition where it's still a little sultry, or like it's rainy some days, so it's kind of nice for this kind of humid weather. The fabric is very nice, so it's very comfortable. A really nice flowy dress. I really like how it looks, and even if you're traveling and if you're looking for like comfortable dresses, then this is one thing that you can try. This is from Desino, and they also have plus sizes. Do let me know in the comments below if you've tried some of these brands and what do you think of these. This is such a cute outfit. This one's slightly pricey. I think it's 1700 for a pretty casual dress. That can be a bit much, but the quality is actually really good, and I really like the style of the dress, and it's so comfortable. You can style it easily. It's one of those dresses where you can style them on any given day when you just effortlessly just put it on, accessorize a little bit, and you're good to go. So that kind of a dress. So it's very travel friendly, and it's like very easy to style. Next one is Curvy Street. This is also a really nice curvy brand that you can see on Myntra. It has really good outfits. They have a lot of beautiful party wear dresses. This is again such an easy fit. You can very casually style it. It has the sequin work on the top, and then it has flare till the end. So this is like a maxi dress, and it has a very nice flare. So it's like a very pretty maxi dress. You can just wear chunky earrings and carry a clutch, and you can carry it very elegantly, and you can wear it for like simpler parties or even like a cocktail party. Again, if you're going out for like a dinner date, or if you are traveling and if you're looking for an easy fit for one of those evening occasions, then this is a great one. So the sequence here is actually jewel toned. Some of them are grey and some of them are like pink lavender, so it gives a very beautiful look. So this is the back of the dress. So even if you're looking for a modest fit, so only the top part is lacy like this, rest of it has lining. So this is again one such pretty outfit, and again I really like the quality. So I really like to have such options handy for one of those days when I don't want to make a lot of effort, but still I want to wear an outfit that looks good. So this is one such outfit, and I did style it a couple of times for parties. So all you need is a clutch, earrings, some accessories, throw on some pretty shoes, and you're good to go. They do have like different styles of dresses, and this one's sleeveless, but they do have some with sleeves as well. So you'll see a lot of options even in this brand, so do check it out. So these are the brands that I've tried out, and I wanted to show you guys my haul. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, do give it a like, and also let me know in the comments below if you would like me to try out any other brands like this, and I would love to do that in the next part. So do tell me in the comments. So I'll leave all the links in the description box, and you can check them out. And if you're watching my video for the first time, do subscribe so that you don't miss out on such videos. I do a lot of hauls and fun styling videos and vlogs and so much more. So a lot of content is coming up, and you can also subscribe to my Telugu channel for local shopping and Telugu vlogs. And also do find me on Instagram. I do mini hauls and styling reels there as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!